Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and in this video, I want to show you how to easily upload your artwork to order a custom CAD-CUT heat transfer. So you want to make sure you look for the artwork uploader link in the top right hand of your screen when you're on the Stahls.com website, or can click the Get Started button if you're on our custom CAD-CUT page. That will land you on this page where you will be inside of the artwork uploader. And so I'll walk you through the steps here. It's really simple. Step number one is to attach your file. If you have the vector file, it's going to save you a little bit of money because you won't have a setup fee, but you can see all of the acceptable file types here. In this case, I'm going to walk you through uploading a vector PDF. So click the Browse to Attach button. That will bring up your file folder systems. And I will go into my desktop and grab my sample logo here. So I just double click on that to upload it. It will analyze the file, and then it will generate a thumbnail for you so you can ensure that you've selected the right logo. At that point, you want to scroll down your page and go to step number 2 in the process and select the service type. Now, you can click the little info icon and get a description of all of our services. We're talking specifically about our custom CAD-CUT, and that is located under this Custom Cut Designs option. So just click that option, and then step 3 will populate with more choices. In this case, I want to do a CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl design, so I'll select CAD-CUT Designs. Again, this little info icon explains all the different products under each step. And at that point, we will get into some more specific choices about your job. Now, I know a lot of folks will order these designs and they'll apply them to different fabrics, but we want to make sure you select the primary fabric you'll be applying to, because we just want to make sure we offer up the materials that are compatible. So in this case, let's say we're going to cotton and poly blends. What color is your fabric? We're going to dark colored fabrics. Do you want a split front? In most cases, you're going to answer no here unless you're doing a zip-up hoodie or a split front baseball jersey. And how many layers is your design? In this case, I have 2 colors in my little thumbnail, so I'm going to select 2 layers. And then it will give you some options here. So first, we want you to explain each layer. Now, let me go back to my thumbnail image just so we can all get a quick peek at that. It's this little cheese and relish design. And so I have a magenta color here that's the main part of the design, the main text. And I have the yellow color that's a little smiley face icon within that text. And so let's start by doing the smiley face icon. And so I'm going to go ahead and describe that layer. And that's best described not by the color, because that kind of can confuse things, but by exactly what it is on your design. So let's just call this the smiley face for the description. At that point, you'll select from our heat transfer vinyl materials, all of the CAD-CUT materials. And again, you can learn about these on our product pages. You can call into customer service and we can help you with this choice. But in this case, let's just say we're going to use our Ultra Weed material, which is our go-to heat transfer vinyl, basic finishes, lots of colors. I'm going to select the yellow color to match the yellow in my design, but you could select any color you want for that smiley face. And then I'll move on to layer 2. At this pace, at this part of the process, I'm going to just type, this is my cheese and relish text, and trying to be as descriptive as possible on this. And then I can select my material for that. Let's say I wanted to do glitter for that part of the process. So I'll select the glitter flake material. Going to get something as close as I can to that pink color. And let's go with our cherry and make that selection. And at that point, it will give me a larger thumbnail image of the design, and I can specify the size that I want. In this case, let's go ahead and make this whole design 8 inches wide. It will size the height for me proportionally, and then I can name my design. And this is where it will save it in our artwork dashboard so you can access it later. And so just make sure it's something descriptive of the design. I'm going to version this 2021 here, version 21, so I know. And then I can type in any specific instructions to the graphic artist on our side, on the Stahls side, to help you. So if you have some special instruction, because you need an edit to the artwork, which will cost money, but you can type that in just to make sure we interpret your design correctly. You will get a proof back to approve, so don't worry about that. At that point, it's going to give me a quote. Based on the size of the design that I've uploaded, the materials that I've selected, it's going to tell me that if I order 10 of these designs, it's going to cost me $5.99 each. This will arrive in 2 separate pieces for application at the heat press. You can watch our training videos on heat applying these, but we just wanted to walk you through how to upload the art. But make sure you enter your quantity. If I want to do 50, it'll say $566 a piece, so $283. For all of the transfers, it'll give me my estimated price. At that point, I can proceed with my contact information and submitting the artwork. So pretty quick, pretty easy. It's very simple steps that are described throughout the process, but feel confident in uploading your artwork. You just click submit. It'll go to your artwork dashboard, and then our artist will communicate back with you once we've generated a proof for you to order. So this is how easy it is to upload artwork for custom CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl.